Hello and hi everyone! In this series, my weekend plan is on a journey to explore the flavors of Malaysia, one dish at a time. This weekend, we are learning how to make one of Negeri Sembilan's most famous dishes, Daging Salai Masak Lemak Cili Api. If you're from Negeri Sembilan, today's your day. This mouth-watering, hot and spicy dish will definitely leave you craving for more. This dish is unique in terms of flavors as it is spicy, salty, with a hint of smoky flavor. Negeri Sembilan is located in the west of Malaysia and is bordering the state of Selangor and Malacca. Join me today as we learn how to create a bowl of Daging Salai Masak Lemak Cili Api. Stay tuned to the end to discover the taste of this unique dish. Let's start off with the smoked beef. If you can't get the original Malay-style smoked beef, you can try using smoked beef like this one right here. Make sure the beef is in thin slices and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Next, set up a pestle and mortar and pound the turmeric and bird's eye chili. Now in a pot, combine everything and boil until the meat is tender. If you prefer a little bit more of sour or tangy taste, you can add a little bit of extra tamarind slices. Once the beef is tender, add in the coconut milk and season with salt. When seasoning, try seasoning a little less than your usual level as the smoked beef usually contains a lot of salt and it can be a little bit salty over time. And there you go! Serve it by pouring the dish in a bowl and sprinkle with thinly sliced turmeric leaves. Serve together with a plate of warm white rice and it is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and good luck trying the recipe. Stay tuned for the next video to find out how the taste will turn out. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!
The taste is not very strong.
Oh, okay. Ding ding ding! Hi guys! Today we're looking at this very interesting yellow dish. And the name is called Daging Salai Masak Lemak Cili Api! Yay! I got it right! And have a look at that. You can see beautiful sliced beef with the turmeric leaves and serai. And let's go and find out what do they think about this perfect yellowish dish. Let's go! Woohoo! Okay, today we have two brown and white ladies. I mean the t-shirt. Sorry. Oh, even the hair. Okay, hair is different. Okay, so today you're gonna try something that's very special from Negeri Sembilan. That's right. If I tell you the name, you probably will need to memorize it. It's called Daging Salai Masak Lemak Cili Api.
Sounds spicy.
Yeah. Alright, so enjoy it. Okay. So it's very spicy.
It's not spicy.
See guys, it's so
Not really can
powerful.
take spicy.
Because it looks like it doesn't have chili, but it is spicy. That's...
Where's the spicy come from?
Yeah.
The chili like the sedap chili api different from the chili padi which is the bird's eye chili. That's what makes it so spicy lah. Between the chili api.
Any words from One Key?
The taste is not very strong.
Oh, okay. In what sense?
Slightly.
Like, okay. Not the spiciness lah, it's
Not the spiciness.
the overall
The
taste.
overall taste is not strong. Actually that is how it's supposed to be. Because the base of the dish is just turmeric and chili.
Turmeric and chili.
Turmeric doesn't have like any strong flavor, it's just color and aroma, right? And then basically what you're tasting is just chili and coconut milk.
This is the first time I try this. I have no idea what this is. Yeah. But yeah, the taste is good. I think it's very much with rice.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, interesting. I've not tried that. You make me want to try. I don't know about you guys, but hey.
Try.
Yeah. If there's anything you can change about this dish, you know, in terms of the flavors or the looks? Like, what would it be? Oh, okay. So what makes you think of that? Oh, is it?
Also smoked duck. People, and also the
Oh,
duck meat.
okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Yeah.
Very
Good question.
yeah. Actually, we eat it with rice.
Okay. And any last words from you?
The taste very strong, but instead like taste
Yeah, something like that. Could be like plain chili, and there's a bit of sour. It's just a little bit.
Let me
Notice
try again. Where is the sour?
it's like very.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like very.
Right. Because Kim likes something that's sour.
Yes.
So got this time got sourness
Yes, a little bit.
a little bit.
Very little bit.
If you eat with rice, then you really can taste it.
Okay, that's cool. Then would you recommend your friends to try this out?
Sure. It's
Definitely.
very new for me, this one.
You
I will
will.
share with my friend, will ask them, have you tried this before?
That's great. Awesome. Thank you girls so much. Ladies actually. Yeah, and enjoy having all of them. And we'll see you guys in the next one. And ciao. Bye-bye.
Bye.